In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Monday.com with Notion using Zapier, step by step. This is perfect if you want to automatically send tasks, status updates, or new items from Monday.com straight into your Notion database without manually copying and pasting anything. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully automated workflow running between both tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The easiest way to connect Monday.com and Notion is by using Zapier. Zapier is an automation platform that connects different apps together without any coding. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to zapier.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account to get started. After logging in, click on the button that says Create Zap. A zap is simply an automated workflow that connects two apps together. Every zap starts with a trigger and ends with an action. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, and the action is what happens next. For the trigger app, search for and select Monday.com. Now you'll need to choose a trigger event. Some common examples include when an item is created, when a status changes, or when a column updates. For example, if you want every new task created in Monday.com to appear in Notion, choose the trigger called When an Item is Created. Select the trigger that best matches your workflow, then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to connect your Monday.com account. Click Sign In, and Zapier will prompt you to enter your Monday.com API key. To find your API key, go to your Monday.com account, open your profile or admin settings, and locate the API section. Copy the API key and paste it into Zapier. Once connected, click Continue. Now you'll choose the specific board you want Zapier to monitor. Select the board where your tasks or items are being managed. After that, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can successfully pull in a sample item from Monday.com. If the test works, you're ready to move on. Next, it's time to set up the action. For the Action app, search for and select Notion. Then choose the action event. Common actions include Create Database Item, Update Database Item, or Create Page. If you want new Monday.com items to automatically appear in a Notion database, select Create Database Item. Then click Continue. You'll now need to connect your Notion account. Click Sign In and authorize Zapier to access your Notion workspace. Make sure you select the correct workspace and grant permission to the specific database you want to use. After connecting Notion, choose the database where you want the Monday.com data to go. This is where field mapping becomes important. You'll now match the fields from Monday.com to the properties in your Notion database. For example, map the Monday item name to the Notion title property. Map the Monday status column to your Notion status property. If you're using due dates in Monday.com, map the Monday date column to the Notion date property. You can continue mapping any other relevant fields so that your data transfers exactly how you want it. Once all your fields are mapped, click Continue and run a test. Zapier will send a sample item from Monday.com into your Notion database. Check your Notion workspace to confirm that everything appears correctly and that the fields are aligned properly. If everything looks good, click Publish or turn on Zap. And that's it. Your automation is now live. From this point forward, whenever the selected trigger happens in Monday.com, Zapier will automatically create or update an item inside your Notion database. This integration can save you hours of manual work, especially if you're managing projects in Monday.com but organizing documentation or tracking in Notion. You can build more advanced automations later, like updating Notion items when a status changes in Monday.com, or even creating two-way workflows using multiple Zaps. And that's how to integrate Monday.com with Notion using Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step automation and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.